Let's do a quick speed test. Yeah, unfortunately my car's not fast, it's just loud. Every time the turbo pulls up, I hear air leaking, and I need to find where it's coming from. So I did a boost leak test with a simple tool, and here's what I found. Now we know why the car feels slow, there's a leak, and I need to fix it. Hi everyone, finally we get to meet. My name is Artur, but my friends call me Archie, and this is my real voice. English isn't my first language, and sometimes I make mistakes, but I always try my best. Big thanks to MaxpeedingRods for supporting my build. They sent me some parts to test out and share with you. Please check the description for all the parts I used, and don't forget to use code ArthurStone to get 10% off. In today's video, I'll be installing a new intercooler, redoing the piping to fix that boost leak, and adding negative camber arms to change up the look and make the car more aggressive. First, I disconnect the steering knuckle from the arm. Under the hood there are two bolts. I take them out and remove the old arm. Then I put in the new arm with maximum angle. Now it's time to put it all together. And do the same on the other side. That's the front done. You can see the result. The camber isn't clear because the car is very low. If I raise the coilovers, the effect will show more. Now let's move to the rear suspension. I tried to unbolt the rear control arm, but it was stuck, even with an impact gun. So I sprayed penetrating fluid, then I heated it. Finally, I used a box wrench with a long bar. Little by little, it came loose. The bolt was rusty, but that's normal. Finally, got it loose. Next I will be installing the rear arms, the lower control arms and the rear brace. I picked up on Marketplace for 50 bucks, it's all straightforward. I put the wheels back on and lower the car. Right away you can see the difference. The wheels really stand out. Rear suspension is done. I removed the old intercooler. I saw a leak at the silicon elbow. To fit the new intercooler, I drilled new holes and test fitted it. Next I installed a new blow-off valve. My old one was too quiet, so I replaced it. Then I'll put together the piping system, rotate the turbo, so it's pulling down, and install wastegate adapter. I'll show you the full process step by step. I wanted to change the intercooler because I couldn't fit the stock bumper. When I test fitted it, I saw some plastic supports. They were inside the bumper and in the way, so I cut them off. The car still doesn't look the way I want, and I need to buy new wheels for it. I hope the car will look much better after that.